Welcome to Galaxy Tech Foundation, an organization located in Ghana that teaches children in rural communities astronomy, coding, electronics, and robotics. My name is Farida Semisha, and today I'll be presenting on Microsoft Excel. A spreadsheet is a computer application for organization, analysis, and storage of data in tabular form. It can be easily used to perform mathematical calculation on statistical data. Some examples of spreadsheet applications include LibreOffice Calc, Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, and Star Office Calc. The most commonly used spreadsheet application is Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. Excel forms part of the Microsoft Office suite of software and has been a very widely applied spreadsheet since 1993, although it was launched in 1985. 7.82% of jobs require Excel skills or experience with productivity software. On average, certified Excel skills can increase one's earning potential by 12%. Examples of these jobs include administrative assistant, accountant, financial analyst, business analyst, and data journalist. Spreadsheets provide tools for working with numerical information. You can use spreadsheet program to create budget, produce graphs and charts, and to store and sort data. In conclusion, Excel, being a multi-purpose data management tool, has helped a lot of institutions and companies and has made handling of data a whole lot easier. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe to all our social media platforms for more videos. Thank you.